Sensational.
comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.
I have multiple sclerosis, and my left side doesn't work properly. So I have trouble eating sometimes. I cough and I cough, and it's hard to swallow. But since my left side doesn't work properly, the most important, sometimes I get tired. I get tired of eating. Now, I was raised to eat till you get full. That was the case. Now, I never been fat, but that was the goal, to eat till you get full. So I used to eat a lot, but I cannot eat like that no more because I get tired. Who would think that you would have multiple sclerosis and make you tired of eating? So I get tired, and I hate to admit this, but the food that I'm eating is really good, cause my wife is a professional chef. She cooks well, very well. Stuff I didn't like before, she made me like it. Now, I was never, ever a fan of meatloaf. Who likes meatloaf? But guess what? She put bacon in the meatloaf. Bacon in the meatloaf? Oh yeah, that's good. Bacon and meatloaf. That's good. Now, I would eat that anytime because I don't know what happened, but when I was small, younger, I really didn't like bacon. Then one day, I don't know what happened, but I just started loving bacon. I don't know what happened. I seen bacon, and I was like, yeah, I want bacon. But that was before multiple sclerosis. When I ate till I got full. Now, when I was younger, my dad, he had money, but he was not good with taking care of money. He would spend money too fast. He'd blow through $50,000 like it was a dollar. But as I got older, I became a manager, And 18 years old, I could afford anything and everything I wanted. Now, I was also good with money. Learned from my dad's mistakes. So I was good with money. I like to save. I'm very, very cheap. But I just wanted to talk to you about, not my cheapness, about getting tired overeating because of my multiple sclerosis. People don't talk about that much because it's not talked about, or they don't eat like I did. But sometimes I'm just getting tired and I stop. I try to finish my entire plate, which is regular for most people. So I do eat regular amounts of food most of the time, but sometimes I just get tired. Unlike most of the people out there, I eat ice cream for breakfast. Yep, ice cream for breakfast. And I only like one type, which is my favorite. Now I could eat vanilla, but I love cookies and cream. So I have cookies and cream mostly every day. I know that that's not usual, but I do. And ice cream, there's no chewing. It's ice cream. So I don't get tired eating that. So I have ice cream because I can relax and consume ice cream. Yeah, I don't worry about getting fat because I'm not gonna get fat. I've been skinny my whole life, and yeah, I'm still skinny. So that's what I do. So for all you out there who haven't heard of this, well, you hear he talking about this now. Yeah, I get tired of eating. Who would know? And that's because of multiple sclerosis. Because I never got tired of eating. And I got full, but that's different. People get full, but they don't get tired of eating. Some people would love to get tired. They can control their weight, but I don't care about that. I don't care about that. But you guys take the punches how they come. And that's my life.
Craig.
Bye, Felicia.
Be the best you can be. love your family, love your friends, spread love, not violence, not this virus. As always, peace.